Good morning!
Not to come!
All right, today I'm going to show you with just a few simple steps how you can make coffee and not overflow the coffee pot.
So stay tuned, that's coming up right next.
You want to make sure you have this first. That is step number one. You also want to look for a coffee pot. This little container here with a line on it for water. Your filter, and of course your coffee. I've already put the coffee in there, but you can imagine you rip this and just dump it in there. Simple. You can do it too. So with this particular maker, first you want to do is take this switch right here and crank it. Oh. Alright, and that keeps the power on here. It's not shut off. And what you want to do is take this pitcher, put it under this faucet, actually this little one here, turn it on. Fill it to that line. Fill it to that line.
Fill it to that line!
That's pretty much it. Open this little trap door right here. After emptying this in here, put your filter with coffee in it in there. Or you could put the filter in there and then put the coffee in. You have options here. Make it your own. Take this and put it here in the coffee maker. And then add your water that's filled to that line.
That line!
Alright, go ahead and dump that in there. And you can see I'm dumping it just in there. Not on the sides or on the floor. Alright, make sure this button right here, it says on. See, it's on. Make sure it's on. And then look. Out comes the coffee. It's beautiful. And just like that, if you follow the steps correctly, you'll notice the coffee pot and the line right there of coffee not overflowing. Follow these steps, make some coffee, impress your boss. Now you're not just a radio person.
You're a barista.
And there's your hack for today.